welcome back to my YouTube channel with another YouTube video. This is Kirsten's Laya. And in today's video, I will be unboxing my new computer that my bosses got me. I'm very excited. Let's go and check it out.
I need to tell y'all the backup story before I even tell y'all. So this is what I've been dealing with the past years. This is a computer I had for the past 3 years. Ever since I've started working here, I haven't had a new monitor. So it's been a big deal to everybody because now I'm finally having a new computer, whatever. This is a computer that my attorneys got me. It's really huge, y'all. I'm going to be unboxing it. Ooh, this is a mouse. I get a new mouse, y'all. Regular. Okay. Well, these are just like the cables and stuff. It's my new monitor. Yay. With all the pink little stuff.
But you were in that. You were in there deep. He's probably gonna put a hex on your ass. Because I stayed in the hotel, so I got to the house and I'm taking it out.
It was a hotel with Ruben, you already know.
No, now we're Ruben. I was my best friend. You guys.
Okay, tell us the story for YouTube. Sleep paralysis?
I was like this, like, and I can open my eyes, and I'm like, oh fuck, I'm stuck, and I couldn't move, and then I'm like this, I'm like, fuck, I was trying to move. I can always move my leg, and that's how I snap out of it. But I go like this, maybe I was dreaming, but I was very aware, and I see like this big ass person, like a shadow person, and I start like panicking, and I start praying, and I couldn't pray, but it's like, I was like this, I was like
oh, that's scary, bro. We're trying to still sync all this crap in here, y'all. I guess this is like how it's looked. So yeah, it's pretty cute, y'all. This is my new computer.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, turn those notification bells on, and my social media will be in the description box down below, and I hope to see you guys next weekend. Stay tuned. Bye!